everyone, welcome back to another video of CorMemory. Now on today's video, it's definitely different from my past videos of Roblox scripting tutorials. This one is more like a Roblox rant or Roblox commentary. So before we get to the video, I just want to give all credit and respect to Kaneko Kitten for giving me the video idea. Now let's head on to what we're talking about. So Lisa Gaming Roblox. Now definitely not new to the YouTube community, the Roblox community. Definitely not respected either, because I'm pretty sure she made a couple videos where she's like, I got coronavirus, and then there's another incident that we'll talk about later in the video, except she just does, she's a bait channel. She just tries to go for reactions and uploads it to YouTube. She doesn't say sorry for anything she does, which is the main problem. Because if she said, hey guys, I'm sorry, I'm not going to do what I've been doing anymore, now let's move on, then I'd be fine. I would not care. I wouldn't be making a video on this. Except the fact that she's been doing this for years now, it makes me so mad. You can't respect her anymore after what she did a couple weeks ago. Obviously, with the joking about coronavirus, a lot of people have died from that. It's really not a good thing to joke about. But also, deleting people's houses on Bloxburg. I'm going to play a little clip of what she does on Bloxburg. Yeah, that pretty messed up. She just deletes the person's house and then she says, I'm crying. Which, it's like, she doesn't say sorry. She doesn't say anything. She just lets, she gets random people to, edit her house. And then she deletes the house and just... It's awful. I don't think you need to watch any more of the clip to know what she's doing is not good. And then to follow that up, she does a part 2 when obviously no one liked the part 1. Nobody wanted a part 2, except she does it anyways. People got her username because it showed up in a clip in the part 2 video. And now people are just reporting her, mass reporting, and they're going to Bloxburg ban this user, and they send the links to the girl's YouTube channel. And then she made a video called Banned on Bloxburg, which is honestly, it's pretty funny. She tried to make an appeal and said, I didn't do nothing. I did nothing wrong. When she deleted houses on Bloxburg, I don't think that's very funny. I don't like people that do that, especially once they don't follow up I'm sorry, I'm not going to do this again, and then they actually go to take action, be a better person. And it's just, this person also makes videos like Flamingo is racist, and then I'm quitting YouTube, not clickbait, since she's doing YouTube still. It's not right. It really isn't. But I just made this video because I want to see everyone else's point on this, or standpoint. I want to see what other people feel about this. So comment down what you feel about this, because I think it's pretty awful to think what she's doing. But obviously she's just a channel for getting reactions and all that. But that's my standpoint on it. I want to hear yours in the comments. But that's all. I'll see you guys later, and peace.